Sorry. Play-Doh. Magazine subscriptions. I like how it just says Thomas the Train. No explanation other than Thomas the Train. They're okay. I'm sick. I'm not hungry. I figured that out after I started eating them. I'm like, I'm not hungry anymore. I don't know. Okay, so board books, light and sound pop-up toys. Links are present. What? Oh dear, I don't know where to go for any of these except for the bookstore. Keith, is there a place near downtown that we can go? That sounds lovely. Thank you. Also, way to go. You're doing your Saturday right. Dreary, dreary Saturday. Alright, that's what I was gonna do like 40 minutes ago. I remember now. I know who I am. I know what I want. I'm never gonna change.
Oh, I was gonna ask you, can I bounce?
I'm never gonna trade. Trader. Ah, cool. Oh god, no. Oh god, sound, turn off, please. Oh dear. Oh, I forgot that I have Target by me. The thing that I was at for 1,000 years. I forgot. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Okay. Then I'm ruining the timeline. Oh! I know what to do! I know what to do! I solved it! It have a Target gift card. Correct. Yes, it does. Okay. I solved that problem. Think I'm getting a fever. Things are going great in my brain land. Okay, so that means if I leave like in 10 minutes, then I can still do everything I need to do. All I need to do is cultivate the willpower to like leave in 10 minutes. Okay, so let me just grab something and then I will be back and that will help with the health. But I need to go grab it. Oh my god! Oh my god, this means I get to try out the thing. Oh, wait, no. That's not what I was expecting. Oops. It's okay. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Oh, this is good. Oh god. Okay, wait, hang on. I'm gonna grab a thing. So I'm gonna run a thing. Here we go. Okay, bye! Okay, only needed 30 seconds. over. Over. Sit over. Okay. I don't know what just happened, but I did it. I got this Marion apple cider vinegar from Rockridge Orchards, which is at the farmer's market every week, which is pretty great. They told me to sip on it because it will help with the sickness. I have a little bit of water to cut it. So I have to sip on this. Oh, that's nice. That's lovely.